Team week 3, the 15-day milestone. 15 days in, and I'm basically vibrating on a higher frequency. I feel light, I feel bright, and I'm pretty sure I can see through walls now. Team Day 15 breakfast, the morning sun kiss. A golden slice of toast topped with a ruby red tomato. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's the culinary equivalent of a spa morning. Lunchtime team, the golden refresh, a crisp duet of cucumber and carrots. It's the ultimate crunch therapy, super hydrating and makes me feel like a very productive garden fairy. Dinner time, the warm embrace, a cozy bowl of soup paired with a glorious slice of cheesy toast. It's like a hug in a bowl, topped off with a melted cheese celebration for hitting the 15-day mark. Team Day 16 breakfast, snap, crackle, and pop. A classic bowl of cereal with a splash of 2% milk. It's a nostalgic morning party where the milk actually has a bit of personality. Lunchtime team, the protein power move, a sophisticated tuna salad. We've officially introduced the sea to our diet, and it's bringing all the energy. Day 16 dinner time, the tropical sunset, a vibrant fruit salad finale. It's sweet, it's colorful, and it's basically nature's way of giving me a high five for being so disciplined. Day 17 breakfast, the sweet start, a plate of steamed or dried fruits, whether they are warm and tender or chewy and concentrated. It's like eating nature's own candy shop for breakfast. Day 17 lunchtime, the Garden Anchor, a star studded duo featuring one choice veg and one medium potato. Keeping it simple, dinner time, the golden finale, the return of a legend. Soup, toast, and cheese. 17 days in, and I've officially reached potato status. I'm feeling sweet, I'm feeling sturdy, and I'm 100% convinced that melted cheese and toast is the secret to world peace. We're not just eating, team, we are thriving. Day 18, it's all about the simple and savory energy. We are keeping the vibes high and the prep time low. Day 18 breakfast, efficiency expert. The classic one slice of toast with tomato topper. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Lunchtime, the protein punch. 2 eggs and mushrooms. It's a woodland style scramble that's basically a hug for your brain. Day 18 dinner time, the sweet finish. A refreshing fruit salad, a colorful and chilled bowl of nature's best work to close out the day. Day 18 quick take. We are 18 days deep and officially in the Zen zone. I'm powered by eggs, inspired by mushrooms, and ending the night on a fruity high note. We are basically unstoppable now. Breakfast time, day 19. The high fiber and high five menu. The wholehearted start. A hearty bowl of whole wheat cereal swimming in 2% milk. It's a kind of breakfast that tells your digestive system, I respect you. Lunchtime, the lean and green machine. Tender chicken served with crisp salad or a mountain of greens. It's the elite athlete. Lunch that makes you feel like you could run a marathon or at least walk very brisk. Dinner time, the balanced bite. One slice of cheesy toast and a piece of fruit. It's the perfect sweet and salty combo to end the night on a high note. Day 19 vibe team. Day 19, and I'm basically a wellness influencer at this point. I've got chicken for strength, whole wheat for stamina, and cheese for my soul. Only 2 days left until we eat the big 21. Let's go, baby! Day 20, breakfast, the fruit weight class challenge. A precise 90 to 250 gram of dried or steamed fruit. Whether you are going for the lightweight 90 grams or the heavyweight champion 250-gram portion, it's a sweet, steamy victory to start the day. Lunchtime, the mushroom medley. 2 eggs and a forest of mushrooms. It's savory, it's protein packed, and it's the fuel you need to power through to the final countdown. Day 20, dinner time, the grand fruit finale. A big, colorful fruit salad. We are ending the day with a rainbow in a bowl. Refreshing, light, and totally day 20 chic. Day 20 status team, It's day 20 and I'm so disciplined I'm actually weighing my fruits like it's gold dust. I'm 24 hours away from the 3 week finish line, and I've got enough eggs and mushroom energy to move mountains. Or at least comfortably walk past the bakery without crying. Day 21, guys, breakfast time, we have arrived. The probiotic party. A cool 175 ml of yogurt paired with a fresh piece of fruit. It's smooth, it's creamy, and it's perfect. Lunchtime, the surf and turf spectacular. A healthy portion of red meat or fish served alongside a vibrant mountain of greens. This is the main event and a kind of lunch that makes you feel like a high powered CEO closing a multi-million-dollar deal. Dinner time, day 21, the biscuit bonanza. 6 biscuits with cheese and another piece of fruit. It's a crunchy, cheesy, sweet celebration that officially marks the end of the 21-day odyssey. 21 days later, and I'm finishing strong with a menu that actually requires a fork and knife. From yogurt beginnings to 6 biscuit salute, I've officially mastered the art of the meal plan. I'm energized, I'm satisfied, and I'm 100% ready for my 21-day victory lap. Let's go!